has never been simpler to prepare your own barbecue sauce at home. The Ted Cooks barbecue sauce recipe is ideal for anyone who wants to add a touch of smokiness to their dish. You won't ever need to lift a finger to prepare the best barbecue sauce with the help of this foolproof recipe. Hence, if you follow Ted's straightforward instructions, you'll have the best sauce in no time. So, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Ingredients: ½ cup apple cider vinegar, 1/4 cup ketchup, 1 teaspoon of dark brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of powdered onion, 1/4 milligram of black pepper, ground form, 8 glasses of chicken stock, 1 can/14.5 ounces of chopped tomatoes, not drained, 1 can/6 ounce of tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1/4 cup of vinegar made from red wine. Instructions: mix the apple cider vinegar, ketchup, brown sugar, Worcestershire sauce, smoked paprika, onion powder, and black pepper in a small bowl. Mix thoroughly. In a large skillet, bring the chicken stock to a boil over medium heat. Then, after adding the chopped tomatoes and the tomato paste, keep the mixture on a low flame for 10 minutes. Take the pan off the heat and add honey while stirring. Your perfect barbecue sauce is ready. Steamer cooked rice or mashed potatoes make a great combination for this sauce. Like, subscribe, and make sure to hit the bell icon for the most accurate and reliable information and reviews about the smoker grill barbecue.